So today we'll discuss about the oxidation number. Okay, so in last lecture we have already studied about the what is the meaning of oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. And in suppose in any reaction there it takes place oxidation as well as both the process oxidation as well as the reduction process takes place, that is called as a redox reaction. Okay, redox reaction. So name of this chapter is already a redox reaction, which means uh, consists of reduction as well as oxidation. What is oxidizing agent, what is the reducing agent, that also we have studied. Okay, so now we have come across with this word oxidation number several times. Okay, oxidation number of this element is +1 -1 +2 like this. Okay, so what this +1 -1 +2 -2 all these digits they represent, so they represent loss or gain of the electrons for that particular element. Okay, so this oxidation number of an element in a compound, it is defined as the number of electrical charges. Okay, it is defined as what? It is defined as the number of electrical charges. Okay, it is defined as a number of electrical charges, number of electrical charges that is present. Okay, that is present over the element. Okay, over the एलिमेंट के ऊपर जो चार्ज जो प्रेजेंट है, ओके, वो जो चार्ज जो क्रिएट होगा, ओके, वो कैसे होगा? सपोज एग्जांपल लेते हैं, कंसीडर द केस ऑफ सोडियम. ओके, so sodium, when it will lose one electron, okay, when it will lose one electron, what will happen? It will have a positive charge. Why it will have positive charge? Because it has lose one electron. There's a loss of one electron. That's why the charge over sodium is Na plus. And in case of Cl, what will happen? It will absorb electron, and by absorbing electron, the charge over the Cl is what? Minus charge. So in this way, um, this is the number of electrical charges. Okay, so these electrical charges will vary. Okay, depends, okay, on compound, depends on compound how their the sharing and the pairing of the electron is being takes place. Okay, so we'll see in this oxidation number, okay, what are the different rules. Okay, so number of electrical charges that is present over the element, electrical charges it carries, assuming complete electron transfer in case of covalent bond. Okay, assuming there is a complete, assuming that there is a complete electron transfer that takes place. Okay, in case of कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड, अगर कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड में, okay, in case of the covalent bond there is a complete transfer of the electron that takes place. Okay, so from one element to the another element. So what are the different rules that have been formulated to determine the oxidation number of an element, okay, in a compound? So there are different types of compounds are present. So उस उन compounds में उनके oxidation number कैसे निकालते? There are certainly 7 to 8 near about rules. Okay, so how to find out, how to predict, okay, how to calculate the oxidation number, okay, for of that element in a compound. Okay, because oxidation number, this term is related with not a complete compound, it is related with a particular element in that compound. Okay, so we'll see what are the rules of the rules which are given, which are assigned for oxidation number. Okay, so there are several rules to assign, rules to assign oxidation number, oxidation number. So what are these? We'll see very first rule. Okay, very first rule in this is the oxidation number. Okay, now I will write it with ON. Okay, oxidation number of each atom of an element in a free state. Okay, so ON will now stands for oxidation number. The oxidation number of each atom, okay, of each atom in a free state. Okay, in free state will be 0. Okay, free state में जैसे sodium in free state it will not have any charge over it. So oxidation number here ON stands for oxide, because I will not write here every time oxidation number. Okay, so lengthy term it is that. That's why ON. So oxidation number of each atom in a free state will be 0. Okay, free state में क्या रहेगी, क्या रहेगा? ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर 0 ही रहेगा. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर फॉर ईच एटम Okay, so example is suppose in each atom like H2, Cl2, O3, S8, P4, O2, cap. Okay, so has oxidation number of 0. Next, second. Okay, second rule. Okay, so these are the rules to assign oxidation number. Second rule, the oxidation number of an atom in a monoatomic ion. Okay, oxidation number. Remember one thing, oxidation number we are calculating for the atoms or the can say elements which are present in the compound. Okay, ये parameter दिमाग में बिल्कुल होना चाहिए. Okay, so this we are calculating oxidation number for the atoms. Okay, which are present in a compound. So oxidation number of an atom. Okay, of an atom, oxidation number of an atom in a monoatomic ion. Okay, in mono single monoatomic. Okay, single जिसमें atom है और monoatomic ion is equal to its charge. Monoatomic ion that is equals to it is a charge जो भी present है उसके ऊपर simple है Na plus. What is the charge? Na plus. What is the charge over the sodium? This is a monoatomic ion. Okay. So now what is the charge? That is plus one charge is present right now. Means what is the oxidation number of the sodium right now? It is plus one. Okay. So in this way, the alkali metals have oxidation number plus one. Okay. So I will write here alkali metal. The alkali metal. So the alkali metal have oxidation number plus one. Okay, they have plus one as their ON oxidation number. इनका क्या रहेगा? Plus one is the oxidation number for the alkali metal. Okay, so all alkali in all their compounds. Okay, so example being suppose sodium chloride. अभी जो मैंने example दिया. Okay, KCl potassium chloride. So these are examples. Then alkaline earth metal have oxidation number plus 2. Okay, alkaline earth metal. Okay, alkaline earth metal. So alkaline earth metal, it is having oxidation number of plus 2. Okay, plus 2 oxidation number that will be present in case of alkaline earth metals and in all their compounds like CaCO3 Mg. Okay, so Mg2 plus. Okay, calcium 2 plus like this. Okay, CaCO3 कौन सा है वो भी मैं लिख देता हूँ. सपोज ये देखो K है, this is CaCO3, another is suppose MgCl2. ये देखो Ca2 plus Mg2 plus charge. Okay, so in this way this is an example of alkaline earth metal. Okay, and aluminium is considered to have plus 3 as its oxidation number in all its compound. तो जनरली क्या होता है, ये जो एल्यूमिनियम है, ओके अगर एल्यूमिनियम अगर है तो एल्यूमिनियम का जो ऑक्सीडेशन है ये प्लस 3. ओके, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इन ऑल दी कंपाउंड्स. ओके, in all its compound its oxidation number is plus 3 aluminum ka. Okay, that you have to remember, plus 3. So in this way this aluminum, okay, plus 3 is the oxidation number. Okay, so now the next is um, and next rule is the oxidation number of oxygen is usually minus 2. Okay, the next rule is oxidation number of O is usually, okay, ये जो usually minus 2 होता है in all its compounds except, okay, this is oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2 in all compounds. Okay, in all compounds. Okay, but there are certain exception except peroxides. Okay, so except there are peroxides or peroxide ion, except peroxide और पेरोक्साइड आयन को छोड़ के या फिर पेरोक्साइड को छोड़ के, ओके, क्योंकि उनमें दूसरा ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर रहता है. अदरवाइज जनरली द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज -2 दैट इज प्रेजेंट. ओके, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ is -2 which is present. Okay, so in this way the two number of electrons, suppose they are added into oxygen, it will complete its octet. Okay, that's why -2. Then where it has oxidation number of -1. Okay, sometimes it is having oxidation state of -1, and in like in superoxides. Okay, superoxides, each oxygen has an oxidation number -1/2. Okay, so sometimes it is also having -1 as its oxidation, okay, number, and sometimes it is also having, yes, -1/2, and this is in case of superoxides. Okay, superoxides. Okay, in case of superoxide, mostly it will have -2 as its oxidation state. Okay, except the peroxide and peroxide ions. So we'll see examples of this. चलो examples देखते हैं हम लोग इसके. See examples. Okay, so example is suppose CaO. Okay, calcium oxide में, calcium का +2. Okay, ये देखो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी मैंने लिखा है, कैल्शियम का क्या है, +2. देन ऑक्सीजन का -2. Okay, -2 calcium oxide में H. Okay, this another compound, that is HOOH. Okay, HOH में देखो, हाइड्रोजन में देखो +1 है. Okay, हाइड्रोजन में +1 है. ऑक्सीजन ये देखो -1 and -1. Have a look at this right now. It is showing -1 as its oxidation state, oxygen. Okay, and sometimes, yes, KO2. चलो example देखते हैं हम लोग. KO2. Here potassium +1 oxidation state. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे potassium K +1 as its oxidation state, and here O2 will have the oxidation state as a -1/2. So all these three has been covered in these examples. आप देख सकते हो oxidation state of oxygen in case of calcium oxide is -2. Okay, देखो -2. In case of HOOH, okay, so in this case H2O2 में आप देख सकते हो, okay, it is having the oxidation state as a -1, and oxidation state of oxygen in case of KO2, potassium dioxide, is what, -1/2. So this is the third rule. Okay, that is in case of OF2, oxidation number of oxygen is +2. तो ये भी है कुछ कुछ exceptions. Okay, so like this OF2. Okay, OF2 में जो ऑक्सीजन का जो ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है, that is +2. Okay, that is +2 in case of OF2 molecule. So another rule, okay, fourth rule, the oxidation number of hydrogen is either +1. Okay, so oxidation number of hydrogen, it may be either +1, okay, or -1. तो ये +1 और -1 क्या है? The hydrogen is having only one valence electron, then it can either lose, okay, either it can gain one electron. Okay, तो एक lose कर दिया उसने इलेक्ट्रॉन. Okay, so +1. Suppose अगर gain कर लिया तो suppose -1. Okay, so in this way, when hydrogen atom is bonded to a non-metal, its oxidation number is +1. So generally this +1, that is in case of so we will write when hydrogen atom is bonded with, okay, when this hydrogen atom, when it is, okay, this is actually the summary, bonded to non-metals, bonded to non-metals. Okay, हाइड्रोजन अगर नॉन मेटल के साथ बॉन्ड करता है तो ये जो है ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर उसका +1 शो करता है. Okay, and when bonded to the metal, okay, and when it is bonded to the metal, when it is bonded to metal के साथ जब ये बाउंड होता है, okay, then it will show -1. So in this way आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, okay, so non metals के साथ जब वो बाउंड करता है, okay, so that's in that case it will be a -1. okay, वो लॉस हो जाएगा इसका एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, and when it will add a one electron, okay, from the metals, okay, then it will have a -1 as its oxidation state, oxidation number. So when it is bonded to metal, it possesses oxidation number of -1. So we'll see with the help of example. Okay, so this is OH, hydroxide minus. Okay, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे this hydrogen is right now bonded with this नॉन मेटल, ऑक्सीजन क्या है, नॉन मेटल है, ऑक्सीजन का हम लोगों ने देखा है, ओके, -2 इज इट्स ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, ओके। अभी देखो यहाँ पे दिस इज नॉन मेटल, ओके, ऑक्सीजन विच इज अ नॉन मेटल, दैट्स व्हाई +1 will be the oxidation state of the hydrogen, okay. So another example, चलो LiH का एग्जांपल लेते। सो राइट नाउ दिस हाइड्रोजन इज बॉन्डेड विथ लिथियम, लिथियम मेटल है, ओके, लिथियम मेटल है एंड लिथियम इज हैविंग +1 एज इट्स ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, ओके, लिथियम मे बी वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 1 ही है, ओके, एंड इट इज हैविंग yes -1, so in this way this is the oxidation number, okay, in this way these are the rules, okay, ये rules है, okay, और भी देखेंगे हम लोग बाद और क्या क्या rules है, so there may be another examples, so we will see now fifth rule, okay, the next rule, fifth rule is the oxidation number of F is -1. So oxidation number of this fluorine atom is -1 in all its compounds. Okay, so if you will observe fluorine, okay, its valency is 7. Okay, its valency is 7 and उसको एक इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए. Okay, if it absorb one electron from another element or another atom, what will happen? Its octet will complete. So oxidation number of this fluorine is -1 in all of its compounds. The other halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine, usually exhibit oxidation number of -1. तो ये देखो fluorine. What is this fluorine? It is a halogen compound. बराबर है, halogen compound है. What are the other halogen compounds? That chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, they are usually, not always, usually they exhibit the oxidation number of -1. So fluorine यहाँ पे मैं लिख के रखता हूँ. What is this? Fluorine. It is a halogen compound. Halogen compound means group 17 member. Okay, group 17 periodic table में देखो आप लोग, halogen group member, halogen group member. So other group members of this halogen group also they are showing usually -1 as its oxidation number. Okay, so in their halide compounds, however, in compounds in which halogen, chlorine, bromine and iodine are bonded to oxygen, okay, oxidation number of halogen is +1. Okay, so however in the compounds in which halogen, okay, अभी यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ मैं, whenever the halogen is, okay, whenever halogen like this chlorine, bromine, iodine, they are bonded to oxygen, जब भी ये bonded होते हैं ऑक्सीजन के साथ, when they are bonded with oxygen, okay, when they are bonded with the oxygen, then when they are bonded with the oxidation number of halogen is +1. Okay, the oxidation number is in this case is a +1. So have a look at this. Generally the oxidation number of the fluorine atom is -1. It is a halogen group member. Usually all halogen group members are showing -1 as it's their oxidation number. Okay, and when this halogen like this chlorine, bromine and iodine, when they are bonded with oxygen, जब ये bond होते हैं oxygen के साथ, means generally they are forming oxides. Okay, so in that case, okay, in that case their oxidation number of these halogens are +1. Okay, so we'll see with the help of example. चलो example देख लेते हैं and we'll try to understand it. Okay. Yes. So with the help of example, we'll see. Yes. Example देखते हैं, HF. Okay. Now look at this HF. Okay. So this right now fluorine will show -1 oxidation. Okay, and this will show +1 oxidation. Okay, because when hydrogen bonded with the metal, sorry, when hydrogen is bonded with this non-metals, okay, so it is showing, yes, this oxygen, fluorine, yes, they are non-metals. So they are showing +1 as oxidation number. Okay, hydrogen. अभी देखो fluorine is showing -1 as a oxidation, okay, number. Then next, चलो, when it is bonded with oxygen, कौन सा, halogen group members, कौन सा है, chlorine है. Suppose ये देखो chlorine is suppose bonded with oxygen. Okay, so in this way Cl2O. Okay, so Cl2O. So right now this oxygen will show -2 oxidation number. Okay, of oxidation number. is generally -2 for all the compounds. Okay, and this chlorine will show a plus one oxidation number. Reason क्या है उसका? Whenever these halogen they are bonded with the oxygen के साथ, their oxidation number is +1. Okay, then you have to remember this. Then another is suppose KBr. Okay, potassium bromide. Okay, KBr. So in this case, okay, so this is a halogen group member bromine. Okay, so it will have a -1 as a oxidation state, and potassium it is having a +1 oxidation state. आप देख सकते हो potassium is having +1 oxidation state. So these are this is the first 5 rules. Okay, so again 6, 7, 8 rules are present. So sixth rule is related with the algebraic sum of oxidation number. Okay, so algebraic sum of what? Oxidation number. Oxidation number um, of all atom. Okay, of all atom in a neutral molecule. Okay, of all atom in न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल. अभी ये ऑलरेडी हमने बोल दिया कि ये न्यूट्रल क्या है? मॉलिक्यूल है, तो उनका जो चार्ज रहेगा न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल के ऊपर वो क्या रहेगा? डेफिनेटली जीरो रहेगा. ओके, सो समेशन, दिस इज व्हाट सिंबल ऑफ समेशन. ओके, दैट इज algebraic sum. So algebraic sum of oxidation numbers of all atoms in neutral molecule, that will be a zero. This one is a sixth rule. Seventh rule is the algebraic sum of oxidation number of all atoms in polyatomic ion. Okay, so algebraic sum of the oxidation number. Okay, oxidation number, and what is that oxidation number of the atom? Okay, oxidation number of all the atom of all the atom in polyatomic ion. Okay, in which atom? Polyatomic. Poly means many, atomic ion. Okay, in polyatomic ion is equals to net charge of the ion. Okay, so that will be equals to how much net charge which is present. Okay, net charge of ion. उस ion के ऊपर, उस जो polyatomic ion है, उस polyatomic ion के ऊपर what is the charge? The same charge. Okay, the same oxidation number. Okay, will be for that polyatomic ion. Okay, not molecule, it is a polyatomic ion. Okay, and the last rule, eighth rule is when two or more atoms, okay, when two or more atoms of an element are present in a molecule or ion, the oxidation number of atom of that element will be average oxidation number of all the atoms of that element in that molecule. Okay, so we'll write in short. Okay, when two or more atoms of an element are present in molecule, when two or more atoms, when there are two or more atoms, when there are two or more atoms that are of an element, okay, of an element लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Okay, atom ही बोल दिया. When two or more atoms, okay, of an element are present in molecule, that are present in molecule, that are present in the molecule, okay, that are present in the molecule or an ion, the oxidation number of the atom. Okay, so how we can find out the oxidation number of that atom? So oxidation number of that atom, okay, of that element will be average oxidation number. Okay, that will be what? Average. Okay, that will be the average. Okay, that will be average oxidation number of all atom. Average oxidation number of all atoms. So consider any atom which is present. Okay, if any atom is present, okay, in the any element, okay, or in a molecule, in a molecule, different same atom is present. Okay, so now how to find out its oxidation number? We can find out its oxidation number by taking average of all the oxidation number. एक कोई भी मॉलिक्यूल है जिसमें दो तीन बार सपोज ऑक्सीजन आया है या फिर नाइट्रोजन आया है, ओके, बार बार आया हुआ है. ओके, सो how to find out the total, or we can say average oxidation number? So average oxidation number हम लोग calculate करेंगे. Okay, so average oxidation number of all the atoms of that element. Okay, of all the atoms of that element. Okay, of that उस एलिमेंट, ओके ऑफ दैट, उस एलिमेंट का हम लोग क्या करेंगे, उसके जो एटम्स का हम लोग एवरेज ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर निकालेंगे. ओके, so of all the atoms of that element in that molecule. So now by applying rule 1 to 5, it is possible to determine oxidation numbers, okay, of atom of various element in molecular ions. Okay, so for doing this the rule 6, 7, 8 are useful. So these are all 8 rules, okay, I have listed here. Okay, and these 8 rules, this will tell us, okay, this will be assigned, these 8 rules will be assigned, okay, to find out oxidation number. Okay, so one by one we will try to revise this, okay, because these are very important. Oxidation number of each atom in free state, it will be definitely 0, okay, because free state mein hai, okay, 0 rahega wo. Then oxidation number of an atom in a monoatomic ion. Abhi monoatomic ion means what, that single atom. Okay, monoatomic, mono means single, atomic एक ही atom है, तो उसके ऊपर जो चार्ज रहेगा वही उसका ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर आएगा. ओके, देन in case of alkali metal, okay, in case of alkali metal +1, okay, +1 ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर आप देख सकते हो, सोडियम. Okay, so sodium chloride mein Na plus and Cl minus we are writing. So now this Na plus, what is that? Oxidation number is alkali metal. Okay, alkali metal, that is a +1. Okay, then alkaline earth metal. Okay, और alkaline earth metal, that is calcium हुआ, magnesium हुआ, उसका जो oxidation number है +2 है oxidation number. Then oxidation number of oxygen, oxygen is usually, okay, -2 for all the compounds but except peroxide and peroxide their ions. Sometimes it will also show -1, sometimes it will also show -1. Okay, ये देखो -2 भी शो कर रहा है, -1 भी शो कर रहा है sometimes, as well as -1/2 in case of soup, that is in case of peroxide. Okay, in case of the super peroxide we can say, okay, super oxide. Okay, in case of super oxides it will show -1/2 super oxide. Okay, आप देख सकते हो, in case of KO2 it is showing -1/2. So this is about oxidation number of oxygen. Next one is a hydrogen. So hydrogen, if it is bonded with the non-metals, नॉन मेटल के साथ अगर ये बॉन्ड होता है, ओके, जनरली नॉन मेटल्स आर प्रेजेंट इन अ पीरियोडिक टेबल, राइट साइड में आप देख सकते हो. ओके, सो जिगजैग लाइन के बाद वाले जो एलिमेंट्स है दैट आर नॉन मेटल्स. एंड इन केस ऑफ नॉन मेटल्स, व्हेन दिस हाइड्रोजन इज बॉन्डेड विद द नॉन मेटल्स, so it is showing a +1 as the oxidation ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर वो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का लूज कर देगा. ओके, इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर देने के कारण +1 उसका ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर आ जाएगा. ओके, बिकॉज जनरली जो एलिमेंट्स है नॉन मेटल्स जो प्रेजेंट है राइट साइड में, दे आर हैविंग ओनली वन, सपोज वैलेंसी सपोज उनमें है, तो दे विल एक्सेप्ट दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो दैट्स व्हाई आप एग्जांपल देख सकते हो इन केस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, ओके, व्हिच इज अ नॉन मेटल, व्हिच whose oxidation number is -2, okay, and hydrogen, okay, which is attached with this non-metal, will have a +1 oxidation number. Another, when it is bonded with the metals, okay, it will have a -1 as oxidation number. Okay, so in case of lithium which is also having one valence electron, okay, तो ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, lithium का +1 हो रहा है. Okay, and it is showing a -1 because it is bonded with the metal. Another is that halogens like chlorine, bromine, iodine, when they are bonded with oxygen, okay, when they are bonded with the when they are bonded with the oxygen, okay, so they are showing a +1. Okay, आप देख सकते हो with the help of this example also. Okay, so oxygen, which itself is a non-metal, and itself which is attached with this hydro. Yes, oxygen. Okay, so halogens like this are when bonded with oxygen. Okay, इसका example नहीं दिखा था हम लोगों ने. Okay, so halogens. Okay, rule number 4. Okay, we see rule number 4. Okay, oh yes. So yes, halogens like this. Yes, Cl, Br, and I. Okay, bonded with oxygen. So their oxidation number will be +1. Okay. Then next, the fifth one is what? Oxidation number of this fluorine. atom will be -1, okay, in mostly in all the case. And when yes, actually ये rule इसके लिए है, okay, इसके लिए है, okay, this is for rule number 50 is for this. So when halogens, okay, when these halogen group members, okay, halogen group members like chlorine, bromine and iodine, when they are bonded with the oxygen, okay, their oxidation number is +1, okay, आप देख सकते हो bromine, okay, so right now this potassium, okay, it is having a +1 oxidation number, okay, and आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे फ्लोरीन, okay, fluorine which is showing -1 oxidation state, okay, and this chlorine is also showing +1 oxidation state because it is bonded with oxygen, okay, because it is bonded with the oxygen. So in this way, these are the examples, and the 6, 7, 8 rule are in general, okay, summation of or we can say the algebraic sum of the oxidation number of all the atoms in a neutral molecule will be 0, वो 0 ही रहेगा, okay, same as that, okay, then oxidation number of all the atoms in case of polyatomic ion, it will be equals to net charge of ion, net, how much net charge is present on that polyatomic ion, that will be its oxidation number. And when two or more atoms they are present in the element, okay, that of an element they are present in the molecule, so how to calculate their oxidation number? So we can take the average of all the oxidation numbers of atom of an element, okay, then we will get the oxidation number of that particular atom. So these are few rules, okay, 8 rules, okay, for finding out, for assigning the oxidation number. Okay, we'll try to solve one problem, okay, problem number 6.1, which will, by which we will clear the concept of oxidation number. Yes. So have a look at the problem number 6.1. Problem number 6.1. So problem number 6.1 is about deduce the oxidation number of sulfur. Okay, what we have to find out? We have to find out deduce oxidation number of what? Sulfur. Okay, in where, in very first, in case of SO2, okay, SO2, in case of SO2, okay, we have to find out what is the oxidation number of the sulfur in case of SO2. So SO2 is a neutral molecule, okay, SO2 is what? It is a neutral molecule. कुछ charge दिखाई दे रहा है क्या आपको उसके ऊपर? Right now there is no any charge which is present over SO2, that's why it is a neutral molecule. Now we know that sum of the oxidation number of all the atoms, okay, so we'll write here, okay, theoretically, sum of oxidation number, okay, sum of oxidation number of all atom, okay, ये देखो rule number 7, oxidation number of all atom, okay, sum of oxidation number of all atom of SO2, okay, ये देखो summation number of that is the summation, okay, sum of oxidation number of all atoms, okay, in case of polyatomic ion it will be net charge of an ion, so that is SO2 is equals to 0. क्या charge है SO2 के ऊपर? 0 charge है because it is a neutral molecule, okay, so sum of oxidation number of all atoms of SO2 will be 0, so we can say that it is a 0, sum 0 है. Now oxidation number of sulfur, okay, if we add oxidation number of sulfur and oxidation number of this oxygen, okay, so we will get oxidation number of sulfur. So in short I will write down oxidation number of sulfur, okay, oxidation number of sulfur plus, okay, 2 multiply by oxidation number of oxygen, oxidation number of oxygen. Have a look at this once again, okay, total molecule is SO2. If we have oxidation number of this, okay, right now it is not showing any kind of a plus or minus charge over it, okay, so that's why it is a neutral molecule. Neutral molecule means what? Sum of the charge is total 0, so 0 is equals to oxidation number of sulfur plus 2 times oxidation number of oxygen, because two atoms are present, okay, two atoms are present, so in this way we'll find out. So oxidation number of sulfur we can find out, so oxidation number of oxygen कितना होता है, okay, तो यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ oxidation number of sulfur that we have to calculate plus 2 multiply by oxidation state of oxidation number of oxygen is -2. So in this case, in this way, so oxidation number, okay, ये देखो, that is 0 minus oxidation number of sulfur, okay, ये हो जाएगा -4. So in this way, oxidation number जो है क्या आएगा, that is plus oxidation number of sulfur will be +4. ये देखो -4 है, उस साइड चला जाएगा, and that's why oxidation number of sulfur will be +4 in SO2. SO2 में ऑक्सीडेशन जो नंबर है सल्फर का वो कितना है, +4. सेकंड एग्जांपल, ओके, सेकंड एग्जांपल इन केस ऑफ SO4 2 minus. Now look at this. A total charge which is present over this SO4 is 2 minus. Okay, so here it is the ionic species, okay, and that is anionic species. Okay, it is an ionic species, anionic species है, okay, anion है, that is minus charge present है. So sum of oxidation number of all atoms of SO4. Okay, so it is a sum of all atom all atoms of SO4 2 minus, क्या है, -2 चार्ज है, so that is equals to, so -2 will be equals to इंडिविजुअल, देखो क्या रहेगा, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ सल्फर, बराबर है, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ सल्फर प्लस 4 times they are present, so that's why 4 multiply by, yes, oxidation number of oxygen, okay, oxidation number of the oxygen. So in this case, we can find out easily, okay, that is what, this is oxidation number of sulfur plus 4 multiplied by -2. So ये देखो, ये भी -2 है इस साइड में. So now we can find out oxidation number of sulfur, ये उस साइड में ले लो, ये -2 है, ये -8 हो जाएगा, okay, और ये +8 हो जाएगा, and in this way it will have 8 minus 2, that is +6. So in this way, oxidation number of sulfur is +6. Where it is +6? In SO4 2 minus. So in this way, one can easily find out, okay, oxidation numbers of different atoms के लिए आप निकाल सकते हो. Okay, so oxidation number of an element can be positive or negative, and a whole number or a fraction भी हो सकता है. Okay, so this you have to remember that oxidation जो number है, okay, oxidation number of an element, okay, of an oxidation number of an element, you have to remember this, of an element, it may be a positive, बराबर है, पॉजिटिव हो सकता है, निगेटिव हो सकता है, ओके, होल नंबर हो सकता है, या फिर फ्रैक्शन भी हो सकता है. ओके, इट मे बी होल नंबर और इट मे बी अ फ्रैक्शन, लाइक -1/2 जो देखा था हम लोगों ने ऑक्सीजन में. ओके, so in this way super oxide में देखा था हम लोगों ने, okay, -1/2. So this is all about the rules of the oxidation number. To find out oxidation number, 1 to 5 are the general rules which mention about the oxidation number of different atoms, okay, and how when they are getting combined with the different elements, or there may be metals, non-metals, or maybe halogen, or, okay, so basic rules they have been given in case of different elements between 1 to rule number 5. 6, 7, 8 are just common rules, okay. So in this way, we have deduced the value of oxidation number of a sulfur in case of SO2, and in case of SO4 2 minus. So we have observed that oxidation number of sulfur is +4 in case of SO2, and in case of SO4 2 minus, it is having a +6 as its oxidation number. So the next further portion, that is about the stock notation, okay, how the stock notation, then redox reaction in terms of oxidation number, okay, all these parameters that we will see in the next lecture.